Hi guys, in today's video, we are going to show you how to password protect your PDF file with the LightPDF editor. LightPDF editor is a simple and all-around PDF editor to help you easily edit, convert, annotate, compress, use OCR, merge, sign, add or remove watermark and password on PDF. To start, launch the app and open a PDF file that you want to put a password. Then, click Tools, and then select Set Password. There are two types of encrypting password, which is the open password and permission password. For open password, simply type in your preferred password and its confirmation to completely protect your PDF file. Take note that this only puts a password and does not restrict permissions for editing, printing, copying, and so on. You can also choose different encrypting settings according to its algorithm like RC4, 128-bit, AE3, 128-bit, AES 256-bit. The decoding difficulty of 256-bit is higher than that of 128-bit. For permission password, you can put more detailed permission for printing, editing, copying, etc. To begin, select permission password, and enter then confirm your password. You can then choose the printing allowed to none, low resolution, or high resolution. None means people need to enter the permission password to print the PDF. While on low and high resolution, PDFs can be printed without a password. There are also options if you want to change something on your PDF file. When you choose none, read only, people without a password can only read the file and cannot make any changes. If you select any option, it means that the reader does not need a password and can do the corresponding changes. Enable copying of text, images and other content means that the content in the PDF can be copied without entering the permission password, otherwise, copying is not allowed. After selecting the encryption algorithm, click Save to complete the password setting. And that's how you easily password protect your PDF file with LightPDF editor. This tool is available on both Windows and Mac. Thanks for watching.